Shepherd's pie.
Main course. Oh,
Look at that.
is that halibut?
It's just so pretty.
So now we serve for you serve the halibut that has been pan fried, crispy on the skin. We serve it on the side with grapes, cucumber.
Our main courses and desserts were just divine.
For you, we are serving.
Pretty,
Thank you. Give you some of lamb. There is placed on roasted onion puree. On the side there is a basil emulsion and a very artichoke lamb. Do you want to there?
I don't really
Delicious. Thank you. I bet it's as tender as anything. Oh yes, it really is. How lovely.
Note yourself, don't put a glass on you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Wow. That's amazing.
We're going to serve it with a vanilla cream chantilly on the side.
Lovely.
And we're also going to place on the top a spoon of caramelized apricots in salt and pepper. For sure.
Oh, yes.
I'd expect nothing less. Thank you. Willy Wonka style. Oh. Thank you. Oh my gosh.
That looks superb. Thank you. You're an artist.
It's all the chef stuff, you know? Thank you.
Thank you.
Did you get your ice cream?
He's gone off for your chantilly drinks.
You were wrong.
For you.
Nearly.
We nearly ran the
Have Malford
Oh, chantilly
See,
cream.
I think that. I think actually we've had the best because we have been on the, or potentially are going to be on the end of.
And this one is a chocolate bonbon with a walnut praline inside.
Thank you.
Would you like any tea or coffee?
This was back in December and the hotel found out and gave me a little birthday cake. Oh.